Now, election of Deputy Speaker. I am to announce to the House that up to 5 p.m. on 23rd February 2019, the time and date fixed for receiving the nominations for election to the office of the Deputy Speaker, the following nominations have been received. Number 1, member nominated Sri T. Padma Rao. Name of the proposer, Sri Kalvakunta Taraka Ramarao. Number 2, member nominated Sri Padma Rao. Name of proposer, Sri Talasan Srinivas Yadav. Number 3, member nominated Sri T. Padma Rao. Name of the proposer, Sri Duddila Sridhar Babu. Number 4, member of nominated Sri T. Padma Rao. Name of the proposer, Sri Muhammad Mozam Khan. Number 5, member nominated Sri T. Padma Rao. Name of the proposer, T. Raja Singh. I am further to announce to the House that Sri T. Padma Rao has been elected unanimously to the office of the Deputy Speaker. Since T. Padma Rao as only the candidate filed nomination, I heartily congratulate Sri Padma Rao and extend my best wishes to him in discharging the functions as a Deputy Speaker of 2nd Telangana Legislative Assembly. Now I request Sri Padma Rao to occupy the chair. I am also to request the Honorable Chief Minister, Minister for Legislative Affairs, the Leader of Opposition and all other floor leaders of parties to conduct him to the chair. Congrats. Right.
గౌరవ ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు